Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Kia Rio S Hatch, stock reference number 5739. This shape runs from the 7th month 2009 through to the 7th month 2011. It has a G4EE 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4EE 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left power door mirror, right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has one small dent, right manual door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with dark grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel.